It's true. If I ever tell you what Shannon hated you because of what she said to Keisha, and Keisha never wanted to talk about the Shannon. What are you guys talking about? You're not saying anything, Keisha.
Nobody was
well,
not.
Teacher said that it's impolite to whisper in public. What I was saying to Natika is Alapai, Dolopon, Lalapai, Yulupu, Kolapum, Tulupu, Malapai, Holopo, Alapai, Alapai, Telepel, Holoper, Nolopo. She does not know what we said. She does not know. I know what you're saying. You don't know what we said because we can speak in Pig Latin and Gypsy. Shilipi, Ilipis, Tulupu, Belepe, Gilipi, Belepe, Gilipi. Pig Latin and Gypsy is not permitted in school. It's a different language. No, it's not. It pits BP, Kapaz, Yapu, Apar, the puns. I'm going to tell Miss Melhedo, no. Apply, Kapans, PP, Wapot, Epe, Vapor, Apply, Wapot. Chipi tupu bapad mapine. Natika, those are the wrong earrings that you're wearing to school. No, and I'm going to tell teacher. Shapot to pop. Miss Melhedo. Children, get inside now. And Natika, for the last time, take out those earrings. Those are not suited for school.
Yes, miss.
A good chatterbox. That's why nobody will talk to you.